At this point of time, you may be thinking, why to use Camera Raw before Photoshop? Why not just open the file in Photoshop and start editing? Well, there are a couple of reasons for this. Let's explore them in detail. The first reason is Camera Raw is a non-destructive editing tool. That means whatever you do in Camera Raw will not be stored in the file itself. That means the original file will remain the same no matter what you do in Camera Raw. It will create a supportive external file that will save all the changes you have made in Camera Raw. So in this way, you do not destruct the original image. You preserve it and you just save the effects that you want in Camera Raw. So this is a very good reason to use Camera Raw before Photoshop. Another good reason is Adobe Camera Raw works with all these file formats: RAW file, JPG or JPEG file, TIFF, all these formats. While Adobe Photoshop is a pixel-based editing tool, Camera Raw is not. One more good reason is automation. You may want to save the preset. Let's say you want to apply some effects, settings and changes to one image. Then you save all those effects and changes to a preset and you will be able to apply that preset to more than one file. Let's say hundreds of files at once. So in this way, you can do a lot of changes with very less time. So automation is a very good feature in Adobe Camera Raw. And last but not the least, it is easy to use and very easy to learn. You'll get this in the upcoming video tutorials.